Next in Scratch, we are going to design three talking sprites. So one is our this cat sprite, which is default sprite. Another sprite I'm going to take as a frog sprite. So this frog sprite I'm taking, I'm placing it here. And third sprite I'm taking is a dog sprite. So this dog I'm taking. Now I want to turn the face of dog from right side to left side. That means towards cat. So we'll select dog here. We'll go to costumes here, and here in this costume we'll go for flip horizontal. For this one also flip horizontal, and for third costume also flip horizontal. Now I'm going to change the background here. So I'm taking blue sky as a background. Here we can increase the size of sprite as well. Here I'm giving size of a dog sprite to 150. 120 will be fine. This frog sprite's original size is 100. Here I'm giving it 120. It is slightly bigger. And this cat size I'm giving 120 or 125. So we have taken these three sprites. First of all, we go for cat sprite. So when we'll go to events, and in events, when green flag is clicked, then this cat is going to say hi frog. So for that we'll go to motions, and we'll bring this thing here, and here we have to change the message. Hello. Within double quotes. Hello frog. Then we'll go to repeat. And here instead of 10 we'll put 5. Then we have to put a wait of a second, and then we are going to change its costume. So for costume we'll go to looks, and here we'll go to next costume and click it. It is saying hello frog, and here it has changed its costume. We have put 5 here, so it will show movement for the 5 times. Next we'll do coding for this frog. So we'll select this frog sprite. Again we'll go to event. When green flag is clicked, then we have to put a wait of 2 seconds. So we'll go to control, and here we have to put a wait of 2 seconds. Then this frog should be saying hello. So we'll go to looks, and here in looks say hello, and here we can change the message. I'm saying hello cat. We're saying hello cat for 2 seconds. So when we click this flag, we're saying hello cat. Now next is dog sprite. So select the dog sprite. Again we have to go to events, and when green flag is clicked, then here we have to put a wait of 3 seconds. So for that we'll go to control. Here instead of 1 I'm putting a wait of 3 seconds. Then it should be saying hello cat. So we'll go to look, and we'll bring this here, and here it will be saying hello cat. hello cat, then you can say I am your friend. If we want this dog to say something verbally, then we'll go to this extension here, and from here we'll have to bring this text to speech. So here we have got that thing. Now we have want this dog to speak something verbally. So we'll bring this here, and here also we can say hello cat, I am your friend. Now we want this dog to show some movement. So we will go to control, and in control we'll go to this repeat, and here instead of 10 we'll put 5. Next we want this dog should change costume because it is showing movement, so costume should change. Next costume, and then move 2 steps. The cat is saying hello frog, hello cat. Now this dog is saying hello.
Hello, cat, I'm your friend.
Friend. So this way we can create 3 sprites talking to each other.